Hi guys, let's bake a delicious Oreo chocolate cake. if you if you taste this cake, I'm not kidding. This cake is everything you've not had. It's everything, and let me show you my ingredients: the flour, the egg, the milk, buttermilk, salt, baking powder, baking soda, the products I used, the flavors I used. I used vanilla and chocolate flavor, the Oreo egg. So I'm going to list the measurements when I post this video. So yeah, don't worry about that. Then let's start baking. So we are using the all ingredients together, all dry, then all wet, mixed together. So in a clean bowl, add all your dry ingredients. So I've added, so I'm just adding them. So yeah, watch the video and enjoy. So, I always ask questions when I do my videos, so I will do that. So far, what would you say your journey into baking, whether as a hobby baker or a commercialized baker? How would you say your journey has been? How long have you been in the business? Are you just starting out? Or have you been in the business? Like, what's the experience? Are you enjoying it? Do you feel it's not worth it? So tell me in the comment section how it has been treating you. Does the business pay your bill, or you augment it with other side hustles? So let's talk. Meanwhile, I've added all my wet ingredients and mixing them together. Yeah, so what I used was buttermilk, not milk, buttermilk. So going to go in, bring them together, then go in with my hot water. Yeah, this recipe calls for hot water. Water. I'm thinking like bread, like hot water. Okay, guys, it's a very easy and simple, straight to point recipe. Nothing too serious, but the end result will blow your mind. It will blow your mind, no jokes. So, um, do you prefer margarine method of for your chocolate cake or oil based? What's your favorite? For me, I prefer oil based. The moisture, the way it melts in your mouth, and also because it doesn't take time to work with or make. But why I don't like it is when you want to work on fondant cake, it's so stressful. So stressful, but yeah, what can we do? So what's your favorite to do? Butter or oil? Now I'm crushing in the Oreo. This is like the main ingredients in this. Hey gosh, if you eat this cake, I'm not kidding. No, I'm not even kidding. It is a taste of heaven in your mouth. It melts straight to your brains. You know when something hits your tongue and you don't even wait like 1 minute to get it. This thing just goes straight to your brain. You're like, OMG. I'm not a fan of chocolate cake, but this cake, damn, I make amazing recipes. I make beautiful recipes. And I offer online courses. I know you don't know, but I'm just telling you. I do online courses on baking, decorating classes, pastries, juices, and lots more. So if you want it, send a message to access my courses. All right, so we are pouring them into our pan. I use a 6 bread loaf pan and another size 6 cake pan. This recipe yields Like you will see the size when it's done. So for something like this, if you're using size 8 pound, don't charge, like maybe naked one, don't charge nothing less than probably 15k for one layer naked cake. I'm not kidding, the cake is rich. Well, for my level, that's what I would do. 15,000 naira for our people, low. 15,000 naira, so you can, find a way and cost it um in your own currency. So I'm adding the biscuits, and that's our cake order. Look at that beauty. Look at, oh my god, this cake is ouch, ouch. Oh my god, look at that, moist, super moist. Look at it. So yeah, guys, this is it. I'm not going to lie. If you see how the studio was smelling, it smelled heavenly, so divine, so divine. Like, ooh. So yeah, that's it. We'll just go ahead and cut it, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to share my videos and all that. Thank you.